Welcome to the Radiators for You guide on how to install a corner radiator valve. We always recommend using a qualified heating engineer to install your new radiators and radiator valves. However, this is achievable by a competent DIYer. To begin with, let's discuss where and why corner valves are used. There are a couple of primary locations for installation. These are with wall-hung radiators, where the inlet pipes come from the wall, and also on ladder towel rails, where the inlets are fed to the bottom of the radiator. Corner radiator valves are the ideal solution for a neat and tidy radiator installation. As the pipework enters the valve at the back of the body, the often unsightly pipes are hidden from view. In order to protect the finish of your radiator valve during installation, you should use paper to protect the surface from the adjustable spanner. The first step is to wrap the radiator coupler in PTFE tape to ensure a watertight seal between the valve and radiator. A tip when using your PTFE tape is to wind in a clockwise direction, which will keep it on the thread of the coupler when we screw it in. Now, we need to screw the radiator coupler into the threaded bush on the radiator. To do this, we'll need an appropriately sized Allen key. Offer the coupler up to the bush and hand tighten to hold this in place. Next, insert your Allen key to the coupler and hand tighten to form a watertight seal. Now that we've successfully installed the coupler, we will attach the radiator valve. Simply offer the radiator valve body up to the coupler nut and tighten. This will compress the rubber O-ring inside of the coupler and form a watertight seal. Now that your radiator valve is connected to your radiator, it is time to connect to your central heating system. The majority of our radiator valves come as standard with 15mm compression fittings to match standard copper pipe. Simply ensure that the copper olive is in place on the inlet of the valve. Insert your copper pipe and tighten the compression fitting. Repeat the above steps for your corner lock shield and you'll have an outstanding looking installation. Don't forget, whichever radiator valve you decide upon, we will most likely have matching sleeving kits and base plates to provide a high quality, attractive finish.